Hi everyone, my name is Louis. Welcome back to episode 2 of the tofu series, where we try to convince people that tofu is actually a delicious dish. Today we're making Mapo Tofu. First, you're going to wash your rice to go with the Mapo Tofu. Now we're going to prep our ingredients. First, cut up 100 grams of mushrooms. Then we're going to cube 150 grams of tofu and set aside. Now we're going to smash 2 cloves of garlic. Season them with salt and then crush with the side of the knife until the garlic forms a paste and looks like this. Peel some ginger with a spoon so you don't lose that much ginger, then grate into the same bowl as the garlic. Slice some spring onions to put on later and set aside. Then we're going to toast some Szechuan peppercorns. If you can't find them, then just use regular peppercorns. I used about a half teaspoon of Szechuan and half teaspoon of black peppercorns. Then we're going to grind in a pestle and mortar. Then heat a tablespoon of oil in a wok. Add in your mushrooms and fry for a couple minutes. Once you've fried for a couple minutes, add in tobanjian, which is a Chinese spicy bean paste, which is essential for Mapo Tofu. You can find it in probably most Asian stores if you just look for tobanjian. Add 1.5 teaspoons of tobanjian and fry for a couple minutes until all the mushrooms are covered with the paste. Add in your garlic and ginger. Add in a pinch of chili flakes and fry both off for a couple minutes. Now add in 200 milliliters of vegetable stock along with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Let this simmer until the liquid has reduced by half. Then we're going to add in our cornstarch slurry. Add in the tofu. I put the peppercorns in here after the tofu, but usually you put them in before. Then once the cooking is finished, drizzle in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then it's ready to serve. Top with spring onion and you're good to go. Let's try it, shall we? As vegetarian options go, and as tofu dishes go, this is one of the best ones I've made. It's got a nice peppery kick to it from the Szechuan peppercorns and the original peppercorns I added. Tofu's got a nice texture, the mushroom gives it a nice umami flavour, and it's simple and pretty cheap to make. I'll put up how much it costs just up here. Definitely one I'd recommend. This recipe is actually inspired by Marianne's kitchen. She made a meat version of this and I've kind of adapted it to a vegetarian vegan version. Right, I'm going to eat the rest of this off camera and I'll see you soon.